Welcome to Ishatec Graphics, where we teach you how to do stunning graphics, where we teach you how to become a creative graphic design, where we teach you how to earn money with your graphic design skill. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Android phone to do stunning graphics. We are going to start with the basic, which is the beginner's guide on Pixellab. Pixellab is an Android software that you can use to do graphics on your phone, your Android phone. So the first thing to do is downloading the app into your Android phone. So what you need to do is you search for your Play Store on your Android phone. This is my Play Store. Now I have Pixellab here and it's showing open. Reason being that I have it already on my phone. So when you search for Pixellab on Google Play Store, it will show you download. After downloading, it will now show you open. You click on. Now this is the interface. This is the interface of Pixellab. This is where you do all your design. This is your page. If you are familiar with using a laptop, you know when you are using CorelDRAW, the page where you do your design, you see it there. So this is the page where you do all your design. So today I'm going to be explaining some of the icons and tools that you need to do your design. Let me delete this. Now, this is the background where you do all your design. I'm going to be showing you all the icons that you need to do your design, your beginner's guide, the best you can find anywhere. Now let's start with this additional sign here. When you click on it, let me click, it will bring you this item, which is the text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery and draw. They all have their functions. Now let's start from text. When I click on this text, have you seen it? That is to write a new text. So what we have here is new text. I'll just click on this icon that looks like a pencil to edit this text box. I'll click on it, click on this pencil. Have you seen it? You delete and type whatever you want to type. I'm typing Ishatec Graphics. Now, my write-up is all on lowercase, which is the small letters. If you want your write-up to be on uppercase, which is the capital letter, you click on this T here, this double T that is here, this big T and a small t, click on it. It will now change your text automatically to capital letters, which is the uppercase. You press OK. Now I have my text. This is how you edit your text. Now the next one that follows is current date. If you want to add date to your design, it is very simple. You want your design to have the date you did that particular design. You just click on current date. It will bring out the current date, that the day you are doing that design. It will bring it out. Sorry. Let me see. To bring it out. Now today's date is 3rd of January 2023. It will bring out, then you just look for a place and put it there. That is, your design will shows the date you did that design. Now anybody that sees that design will know that this design is done on this particular date. The next one that follows is sticker. If you want to add sticker to your design, you just come here, click on sticker. Have you seen it? We have different options of stickers. We have this ball, we have star, we have all these different bulb, cake, crown, ice cream, rose flower, any sticker you feel like using for your design. You can just click on addition sign, sticker, you add your sticker. Now the next one that follows is shapes. Now if you want to add shape to your design, most of this design these days, they have shapes. So if you want to add shapes to your design, all you do is click on this additional icon. You come to shapes, you click on shapes, additional icon, click on shape. Have you seen it? This is your right angle shape. Let's assume you don't want to use right angle, you want to use circle or other shapes. Let's assume you want to use other shapes. You just click on this box here. You see we have different shapes. We have circle, we have half circle, we have all kind of shape you want to use. And let's assume I want to use this shape. You've seen it. If you want to increase your shape, all you need to do is you hold down this circle on the right hand side. You drag or you drag in, drag out or drag in, drag out to increase, you drag in to reduce. That's how it is. And you can just carry and position it wherever you want to position your shape and press OK. Now the next one that follows is from gallery. From gallery means bringing images, icons from your phone, the one that you have saved inside your phone, into your design to use them. You just press from gallery to take it to your phone. You take it to your phone where you pick any random images you want to use. Let me say I want to use this. You've seen it, you press OK. Now this is how you bring images from your phone into your Pixellab to use for your design. Now the next one that follows here is draw. Those that know how to use their hands to draw very well, you can equally draw with your hand, using your hand on Pixellab. You come to draw, then you can draw whatever you want to draw. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can draw whatever you want to draw. If you know how to sign very well, you just sign your signature on it. Now the reason mostly what I use this particular draw tool for is when I'm delivering my job for review. After the design, I just sign on it or just write my name on it. If I don't want to put my logo on it, I'll just put it, because you need to do that so that your client will see it first. After paying you, then you give him the job without any design, only signature or your logo on it. So that is what I use the draw tool for. Now the next one will be this save icon. You have seen save icon before. This icon here is used to save your work. Either you are saving it as a project or as an image. Let's assume you are not through with your work and you want to attend to other things. You are not through with your design, you want to attend to other things. What you need to do is you save your design, save it as a project. Then later you come back and continue it. Now, let's assume I'm doing my design and something comes up. I want to go and attend to that thing. What I need to do is I'll click on save as project. I'll click save as project. Project name, I'll just type the project name and press OK. And after saving, when I come back and I want to make use of, I want to continue that design, all you need to do is come to my project. When you come to my project, you will see your job there. Then you continue your design. Then the next one we have here is save as image. You can only use this when you are done with your design. Let's assume you are done with your design. This is our final job. We want to save it as an image so that we will be able to post it on social network or deliver it to our client for review. What you need to do is save as image. save as image. You come to default. Are you getting me? Now I usually save my images very high. The quality, I save it very high, and I also save it as JPEG. This is JPG as JPEG. I'll just come to this place and click on very high, quality very high. I click save to gallery. Now when you click on save to gallery, the image, your graphics, will be saved into your phone and it's ready for you to send it anywhere in the world. Now the next one is share. You don't want to save as image, you don't want to save as project, you just want to share to social network after completion. What you need to do is come to share. Now we have Facebook, we have Google Plus, we have Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, any platform you feel like using to save, to share your graphics. You just click on it. Let's assume you want to use Facebook. I'll click on this Facebook icon. Now it will bring out Facebook news feed. If you want to save it to your feed on Facebook, you want to save it to your groups on Facebook, you want to save it to your story on Facebook, you just select any one there and you click on share. You will share your design on Facebook. Now the next one here is quote. Let's assume you are designing and you want to add a quote to your design. All you need to do is, if you don't have any idea for any quote, Pixellab provides you with some quotes to use. You just click on this icon. It will bring you different quotes you want to use, like what we make the world we live in and shape our own environment. Any kind of encouraging code you want to use, you can just make use of it here. If you want to make use of, you select it, because what we have here is motivational. We have different options. We have motivational, we have success, we have friendship, we have happiness, we have inspiration, we have positive. Any kind of code you want to apply, add to your design, you can just get it from this place. From this place. Now let's go back. Now the next one here, these three balls are cycle here. You have other options there. You just click on it. It will bring you different options that you can equally use, different tools that you can equally use for your design. We have use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, import image, image size, contact us, tutorial, anything you want to use, you get it here. But this is where we will stop this class for today. In our next video, we are going to be explaining all these items for you. We are going to show you how to apply color to your background, how to apply color to your text, how to change your text font, increase it and reduce it. We are going to show you all of that. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you follow this class step by step, so that at the end of these tutorials you must have been a professional graphic designer. Because this is 2023, you need a skill to earn money. You need a skill for your side hustle. Even if you have a job, you can still learn this and still get small income from the other side. God bless you. See you in our next video. And don't forget to use the subscribe button. Thank you.